Babe,
Yeah.
how do you get an obese person to do whatever you want them to? What is that face? Babe.
You can't keep it together. I do not support this joke, but please tell me.
How do you get an obese... How do you get a larger than life person
Larger than life.
to get them to do whatever it is you want?
What? What do you do? You have tears, literal tears in your eyes, Michael.
How do you get an obese person to do whatever you want? It's a piece of cake.